We're taking these chairs out.
I'm helping Dad.
We're trying to get this floor covered up.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's our brand new chair. You know the new van. Pulling that out. Stand it right there. Drop it. That. Brand new.
Rain. Okay, so now we've got that.
Inside.
Thank you. So now we're going to try to take this piece of mat out. And maybe some of those bars. And then we're going to put that mat down, or try to.
Yeah, we are trying to.
Try to. Okay, Oz, let's see if this comes up. Right here. Gilbert, we're going to try to take this out.
Oh, I know. This is not super cool. We found bullet shells.
Can you believe it? Bullet shells. Our new to us bad guy van came with bullet shells, and little tabs for mesh to go over the windows. So we're just unscrewing it all. And then we're going to try and put a carpet down and the chairs back in.
Guess what?
Okay, do you remember this, Gil?
Yeah.
So we were cleaning out the van here. So we pulled out the seats, we pulled out the rubber mats, and then we needed to vacuum the entire van. Did you help vacuum?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did. What are you doing back there? Playing with the seatbelts?
Yeah.
How come?
I don't know.
You're just having fun. Rosie's doing a dance. So we cleaned out the entire van, and then after that, we had to get our tools. And you remember what we were doing to the windows?
Yeah.
What?
What are you doing?
What were you doing?
No, what are you doing?
Where did you go?
To tool?
Oh, you're probably getting a tool. Yeah, so Dad and Rosie and Gilbert was helping there. We're taking off all the little tabs around the windows. So we had to take off some of the trim, right?
Dad?
And Oswald was a huge help.
We are drilling our hills off windows so it's nice and clear and not that bumpy, and we don't really want those hinge things on, right?
We didn't want the hinge things on. I think the hinge things were actually for bad guys.
Mm-hmm.
Like maybe prisoners.
Mm-hmm.
Are you a prisoner?
No.
A prisoner of my family?
No!
You don't think so?
Mm-mm.
Every time we go to the grocery store, I'm taking you to jail?
No.
Or maybe when I'm taking you back from the park, it feels like jail.
Mm-hmm.
It does? You'd rather stay at the park? So Gilbert's obviously helping here with the vacuum, doing some more cleaning. There it's you, Rosie, helping with the vacuum, right? Oh, you touching the ceiling?
Mm-hmm.
How tall are you?
Stop.
That tall. So we're taking the tabs off, taking the plastic trim off. Also, and I are working away here. It was kind of a nice overcast day,
Yeah.
so it wasn't too hot. What are you eating right now?
Waffle.
A waffle? You're eating a waffle while we're trying to film a video. Oswald and I are just finishing up the last little bit. We have this section and the door, and we just yanked off the trim. Hattie was in and out a few times. By this time, you girls have left me, right?
Yeah.
But Oswald has it figured out, doesn't he? And was Stevie in here helping him out much?
No.
No. What do you think Stevie was doing?
I'm just helping with people, and usually drilling the things over I was still doing that.
Yep. We took them all off, eh? Hattie was in there. She just likes to be beside us, right?
I started new pepper.
Yeah, that's true.
That was a busy night.
Oh. Don't worry, I got it.
Okay. Look at
Yeah, you keep going on that side.
I think we have to turn it around.
No, the wheel well's there. Keep going. Let's pull it back. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, back to that. Not enough storage. Alright, we finished the van. We got the seats and the rubber mat in. Let's check it out. Ah, it's Rosie! Did we get the seats in?
Yeah.
And we got the rubber mat in?
Mhm.
How do you like the van?
Good.
Do you like this van or our old van?
Open.
The old van? Why do you like the old van?
Because I don't like a sliding doors.
Ah, she doesn't like the sliding door. But it's a nice van. So.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Can I have 5? Oh, yeah.
Like and subscribe.